the queen was taking a walk in her garden. Then she found a big beautiful golden feather. Then she met a little man. He said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you 3 big diamonds." "No, sorry," said the queen. Then she met an old woman. The old woman said, "If you give me that feather, I will give you necklace of 21 pearls." "No, sorry," said the queen. Then she met the king. The king said, "Oh queen, if you give me that feather, I will give you 99 gold coins." "No, sorry king," said the queen. Then she met a little prince. He said, "Oh mama, what a bright beautiful feather. Take it, my dear, and keep it safe." Thank you. How are you? I'm fine. And how are you? I am fine. Tell me about your family. My mother's name is Rekha. She is a housewife. My father's name is Prabhakar. He is a farmer. I have one sister. I have no brother. My sister's name is Haroshi. She is 11. Tell me about your family. Mother's name is Parveen. She is a housewife. My father's name is Yashin. He is a farmer. I have no brother. I have one sister. She is a 15. My brother's name is Aman. Thank you. Hi. Hello. How are you? I am fine. And you? I am fine. What is your name? My name is Samira. Tell me about yourself. My name is Shraddha. I am 11 years old. I live in Erandeshwar. I go to school PM Sri Prashala Erandeshwar. I am in class 5th. And now tell me about yourself. My name is Samira. I live in Erandeshwar. I am 10 years old. I go to PM Sri Prashala Erandeshwar. I am in class 5th. Thank you.